the relationship of the students to the faculty. The faculty and the professors are all some of the top academics in their field in global health.
They really teach you how to think analytically. And I think that was one thing that really stands about this program. They teach you how to think analytically. How do you think about ethics? I think that's very critical when you're doing global health. I think that's one thing that really stood out.
Just so surprised and so grateful for how open all of those faculty members were to taking a meeting, and I never felt like any question was too small or too insignificant, or especially when you're so in the learning stages and you're so just trying to kind of figure out how to use the software.
They were really intentional about having that relationship and helping to not just reach a deliverable, but to develop a global health student and a global health professional.
I was just floored from the beginning as to how engaged faculty is with students, just across the board. My mentor was wonderful. And I am so lucky to have been paired with him and to have developed my research focus with him. I mean, it's something that I am looking forward to pursuing and continuing, both with him on my own in my own career as a physician coming up. And that's something that I'm incredibly grateful for.
And really, the faculty and the staff were really intentional about meeting the needs of the students outside of the program, whether it was just inviting everyone over for a beginning of the year barbecue, to helping somebody during office hours, to, there were numerous times when I would just go into a professor's office and talk to them about recent global health ongoings that didn't necessarily have anything to do with our coursework, but they were able to just carve out time for me to pick their brain about some things that were happening in the world of global health. So they really made an effort outside of the classroom as well as inside the classroom to have that relationship with their students, which I thought was amazing.